synkon, he's got a vision, a man of the people with a mission. He's standing tall, ready to fight for the rights of all, day and night. From the streets to the halls of power, he's got the drive, he'll never cower. With compassion in his heart, he's on a quest to build a future where we all can rest. Dr. Ricky Synkon, he's got the fire, the power of his voice, it takes us higher. He's a voice for change, a beacon of hope in a world that needs it most. He won't mope. Dr. Ricky Synkon, he's got a plan, fighting for the people all across the land. He's an MP candidate, ready to make a stand. Together we can vote for change, hand in hand. The winds are blowing changes in the air. Dr. Ricky's voice, it's heard everywhere. He's got the vision, he's got the flair. Together we can make a difference, show we care. Vote for change, let your voice be heard. Dr. Ricky Synkon, he's the one who's gonna turn the tides of the past and make a brighter day. Revolution in the house, we're breaking the mold. VPP on a mission, we're bold and we're bold. Clean politics is the goal we embrace. Join our movement, be a part of the chase. Vote for VPP, the champion we need. A voice for the people, a leader we can trust indeed. Vote for VPP, the hope we long to see, a brighter tomorrow. Together we can be free.
We standing strong, united as one. Voice of the people party, we ain't just having fun. We're fighting for justice, making our voices heard. Every man, woman, and child, we gonna spread the word. In the streets we march, demanding our rights. No more inequality, it's time to unite. We won't be silenced, we won't back down. This is our time, we'll turn this world around.
Vote for VPP, the champion we need. A voice for the people, a leader we can trust indeed. Vote for VPP, the hope we long to see. A brighter tomorrow, together we can be free. Then all we can be free.